Hey everyone, welcome to Webwise Workshop. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove image backgrounds and unwanted objects for free using LunaPic, which is a free online photo editor. And the best part, no signups are required. First, we'll remove a background to create a clean, transparent image. Then I'll show you LunaPic's Smart Object Removal tool to erase anything from your photo. Let's get started. So come to the site, lunapic.com/editor, and you click on the upload button. And I'm going to upload an image with pets. There you go. And the first thing you want to do is you see this menu tab, and you want to go straight to edit, and you want to go all the way down to auto background removal. Click on that, and there you go. The background's completely gone. Of course, if you want to save it, you go into File, you can save your image, and there's many options. You can save it as a GIF, PNG, JPEG. Save this as a GIF. So that's already saved. Now, let's try something else with this image. Let's say you want to just focus on removing the kitten. So you go into Edit, and you look for Smart Object Removal tool. Take your cursor and just outline the kitten. Fill it in. Might take a couple tries to completely remove it, but let's try this first. There you go. As you can see, the kitten is starting to be erased. It might require one more try. There you go. The kitten's completely gone. And for fun, if you wanted to add, let's say, a black and white background, you can throw that in there as well. Look at that. It looks awesome. Go into File, Save Image, save it as a GIF. There you go. Let's try a different image. Let's say it's an image with something completely different. Here's an image of, these guys just having some fun on the beach. Let's say we want to remove the soccer ball. Go into Edit. Click Remove. There you go. Soccer ball is completely gone. I'll go in here as well. Save image. And let's try the background removing tool for you as well. So here's the soccer ball back again. You want to remove the background. Go here, Auto Background Remove. There you go. Nice and easy. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove image backgrounds and erase unwanted objects using LunaPic, all for free.